Did you know the largest mammal to ever exist isn't a dinosaur? It's not even a surface mammal. It's a creature that still roams our oceans today. This gentle giant is none other than the majestic blue whale. Measuring up to a whopping 100 feet in length, these oceanic behemoths dwarf their terrestrial counterparts. In comparison, the largest land mammal, the African elephant, reaches a mere 25 feet in length. If we're talking about weight, the contrast is even more striking. A blue whale can tip the scales at an astounding 200 tons. That's equivalent to the weight of 33 elephants. And let's not forget volume. Imagine a creature so enormous that its heart alone is the size of a small car. In this vast blue world beneath the waves, size truly does matter. So now that we know ocean mammals can be significantly larger than their surface counterparts, the question is, why? To understand why ocean mammals are larger, we have to dive into the science of size. It's a captivating tale of gravity, buoyancy, and the battle against the cold. Let's first take a look at gravity. On land, mammals have to support their own weight against the force of gravity. This puts a limit on how large they can grow, because the bigger they get, the more stress is placed on their bones and muscles. This is why you won't see elephants doing gymnastics. Their size, while impressive, also limits their mobility. Now, contrast this with ocean mammals. In the water, buoyancy provides a helping hand. Buoyancy is the force that helps things float. It works against gravity, supporting the weight of the animal. This means that ocean mammals, like whales, don't have to support their entire weight against gravity. They can grow much larger without the risk of their bones and muscles being overstressed. But that's not the only reason behind the colossal size of ocean mammals. The frigid waters they inhabit also play a part. Cold water sucks heat away from the body about 27 times faster than air. To counteract this, marine mammals have evolved to be larger with more blubber. The larger the animal, the smaller its surface area relative to its volume. This means less heat loss, keeping them warm in the cold depths of the ocean. So, while gravity and temperature play key roles in determining the size of mammals, they aren't the only factors at play. In the grand scheme of things, size is a complex interplay of various environmental forces, evolutionary pressures, and ecological roles. It's a fascinating subject, one that continues to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. But remember, size isn't everything. Each creature, large or small, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life that makes our planet so incredibly diverse and beautiful. Evolution has also played a crucial part in shaping the size of ocean mammals. But how exactly, you ask? Well, let's dive into it. Imagine you're a whale, gliding through the vast blue depths. Your size isn't just an impressive spectacle, it's a survival toolkit. Evolution has favored larger body sizes for ocean mammals for a variety of compelling reasons. Consider long-distance migration. Many ocean mammals, like whales and seals, undertake epic journeys across oceans every year. Larger bodies are more efficient at storing energy, a crucial factor when food is scarce during these lengthy pilgrimages. Then there's the matter of deep diving. The deeper you go, the colder and darker it gets, the pressure increases, and there's less oxygen. But larger bodies can hold their breath longer, withstand the cold better, and resist the crushing pressure, making deep diving a feasible behavior. And let's not forget predator avoidance. In the open ocean, there's nowhere to hide. So, being big can deter potential predators, providing a kind of passive defense. Now, let's contrast this with surface mammals. Here, smaller sizes can often be advantageous. Think about a field mouse scurrying through the undergrowth, or a squirrel darting up a tree. Their small size helps them hide from predators and navigate their complex environments. In resource-scarce environments, being small also means needing less food and water to survive. In the grand scheme of life, it's all about balance. Every trait, every adaptation has its trade-offs. Evolution is constantly tweaking these dials, adjusting the balance to favor traits that offer the best survival chances in a given environment. Hence, the size of mammals, whether in the ocean or on the surface, is not a random occurrence. It's a carefully calibrated result of millions of years of evolutionary fine-tuning, driven by environmental pressures and physiological needs. So as we can see, The size of mammals, whether in the ocean or on the surface, is a complex interplay of environmental, physiological, and evolutionary factors. The world of mammals, both in the ocean and on the surface, is full of fascinating creatures. Delving into their lives, understanding their sizes, and exploring their evolutionary journey can be a thrilling adventure. There's always more to learn, more to discover, and while we unravel these mysteries, let's remember that these creatures also need our protection. Their survival is part of our survival. Understanding these creatures not only enriches our knowledge of the natural world, but it also underscores our responsibility to protect and preserve it.